$10,896 in net profit in over 20 days, and in these 20 days we never have gone in loss. As you can see here, the chart is only rising day after day, and I'm making this video to make aware my VIP copy traders, and I'm also going to teach how you need to do the copy trading setting in your pocket option account so that you can make profitable trades. As you can see here, my UID is hidden at here because my UID is not available for everyone. It is only for those who joins my VIP copy trading channel. And if you want to copy my trades automatically in your account, then you can join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video, and see the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. But firstly, let me explain you everything that you need to know about the copy trading. After finishing today's trade, there was one fear that came into my mind. As you can see here, I have made 6 trades in total. Okay, and here it is showing 3 trades for today, and the 100% was win rate, and we made like profit of $144. And everyone who copied me got similar result. Either they were copying my $2 per trade or $10 per trade. As you can see here, I make $200 per trade consistently. So anyone who copies me can copy $200 trade to $200 trade, or maybe they can copy $10 trade, $50 trade, whatever amount of trade they want to copy, they can copy easily. And here you can see 100% win rate, and $444 was profit, but I made 6 trades in total. Okay, 3 were wins and 3 got refunded. So these 3 were not loss. 3 were not loss. Okay, and most probably every day we make profit only. And I already told you it's been like over 20 days. I think 23 or 24 days we are only making profit, never loss. Now this may have given a false belief to some of my VIP copy traders that we are never going to go in loss, because if that is the mindset that my VIP copy trader will have, then it is going to be a bit of problem. We can make profit for 10 days continuously, and we can make loss for 1 day, 2 days. That thing my VIP copy traders need to understand. That's why also I am making this video, and not only for that purpose, I'm also going to teach how you need to do copy trading right now. So if you are my VIP copy trader, then you need to understand this. You need to get prepared for the losses also. Okay, yeah, loss will be a few amount, but it will be. No one can just keep on making profit for straight 365 days. Okay, there will be loss for some days, but our win rate will be high than our loss. So that's why we will always be in the side of the profit. That much I have trust in my skill, my experience while trading binary options. So now let's talk about the copy trading and how you can copy my trades to make profit like this. And as I have already told you, I make $200 per trade only in each trade. I don't do up and down amount. That's why you can easily set up a percent and you can keep on copying in that same amount consistently like me. So to do copy trading, firstly, if you go to this social trading feature, then you will see lots of people with higher percentage of win rate like 68%, 71%, and you get excited and start to copy them. You will make loss, that's for sure, because as you can see here, let's see his yesterday's result. His max trade amount was $1,000 and his minimum trade amount was $110. So let's say he made 2 trade profit of $110. Okay, and he got some profit. His this profitable trades percentage also went up, and again he made 5 trades of $110, 4 were win. Again this profitable trade percentage went high, but he made loss of 1 trade of this $1,000, and all of your previous profit will be gone. But since it was only 1 loss, then your profitable trade percentage will not decrease in significant way. That's why if you just see this percentage and start to make trade, then most probably you are going to go in loss because of this kind of uncertainty when how much amount they will make trade on. But in my case, I will make $200 per trade only, so you can copy that exact amount. If you copied 100% of the trade, then you will be copying $200 per trade. If you copy 1% of the trade, you will copy $2 per trade. Okay, so now let's assume that you have gone into my VIP and you have already got my UID. Okay, then you need to just come here and click on this copy and max copy trade amount. As I've told you, I make $200 per trade, not up and down, so you don't need to put anything at here. And in minimum copy trade amount, you need to leave it 1. That's fine. Now in case of stop balance, this is one of the important thing that you need to know. If you are copying me or any other person, I'll not talk about any other person, I'll talk about myself. If you are copying me, then never use stop balance. Let this stop balance be $1. But let's say your account has $5,000 and you just want to risk $1,000 only in my copy trading service. Then what I would suggest you to do is you withdraw your $4,000 and just put the $1,000 only in your balance and start to copy me, and don't put any stop balance at here, because lots of my VIP copy traders have been complaining me that if they use this stop balance, then they are not able to copy my trades. They are not able to copy some of my trades. Like if I make 5 trades, then only 3 gets copied. Two doesn't get copied. I don't know why, but that's frequently happening. So I advise you to avoid this stop balance. As I have already told about this percentage, so if I am making $200 per trade and you put 100% at here, then it will copy $200 per trade in your account. If you want to copy $100 per trade, then just make it 50%, because 50% of $200 is $100. And if you want to copy $2 per trade, make it 1%. If you want to copy $4 per trade, then make it 2%. If you want to copy $10 per trade, make it 5%, and just simply click on confirm, and you will start to copy all of my profitable trades in your account in an easy way.